guys, Sweetness here. I'm doing a U-haul for Knowfashionstyle. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you the before pics and the afters, and you tell me, comment down below of what you think. I have so much to talk about this company, and yeah, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so this piece of clothing is so cute, so sexy. I love it. I wore it to our first night out, basically.
Okay. Yeah. Hold your butts up. Mind your funky business.
And yeah, I got it fixed. Here's the before. It's nicely fitted. I had to get it fixed. It's not baggy like that. It's fitting the booty very nicely, just like so. And that's how it looks basically. And yeah, so I will put the model number of what I'm wearing, what I have on for you guys so you can see. But honestly, it's affordable. It's in US dollars and it's coming from China. The material's nice. The only thing I have to complain about is like some of the clothes, it doesn't fit true to size, and you may have to get them fitted. This is a size small, and the top came fine, but the pants, it was way too big and it wasn't fitted for me. So guys, I love it. I enjoy it. Compliments. And yeah. Sexy, 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 sexy. Get it. Yes guys, so here's another set of clothing that I got from Knowfashionstyle. This is a black and white ensemble, and I honestly love this as well. What I got fixed from it was the pants and the top. The top, all I did was, to be honest, it's a bit baggy, but I don't mind this. It was baggy all throughout, so the wrist was really loose. Now it's actually tight. So I got the wrist part taken in on both sides. The pants, oh, it was all around baggy, and now it's totally fitted, as you can see. And yeah, it fits the booty very nicely. Oh yes. And yeah, so guys, it did not come like this. It came big, not fitted, and this is the after. It's banging. So, and again, remember, you may have to fit them, but it's reasonably priced, because this is what I seen online, this is how it turned out, and this is how it looks now. But you guys have to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be showing you some more in this next clip. Hey guys, so this is another piece of clothing from Knowfashionstyle. So, little issues I had with it, the neck problem. It was a bit wide around my neck, so it looked like a long collar that was just sitting forward. It didn't make no sense. So I asked my seamstress to tighten the back, and the tights part was a bit loose. So now I have it a bit fitted for me. Now it's more fitted, it's more sucked on a bit. It feels more put together for me. But I would say, is it true to size? Yeah, I would say it's true to size when it comes to like being a size small. all the clothes I'm showing you guys is a size small. I am 5'2" and I am 100 and say 43 pounds. If you like this, make sure you comment down below and let me know what you feel about. You know what? Let me know which is your best wear of clothing that you liked on me, and if you would even like think about ordering a whatever piece of clothing that you think you really like. You know what I mean? So yeah, so let me know what you think with this piece of clothing. I really liked it. I feel sexy. I will add in some pictures as I talk, and yeah, you guys can let me know.